Hello friends, once again welcome to the online classes. So, in previous video we have studied about how to find zeros and value of the polynomial. So, on the basis of that, we will start today exercise 2.2. In that question 1 I will be given homework in the previous video. Okay. So question 2, find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the given polynomial. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 जो polynomials आपको दिए गए होंगे. ठीक है. So first one is p of y equals to y square minus y plus 1. p of y given क्या दिया हुआ है? y square minus y plus 1. We have to find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Means you have to find when y equals to 0, when y equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So we have to find value of polynomial at 0, 1 and 2 for 3 points. Okay? So let us do. So here first I am putting p of 0. So p of 0 is nothing but in place of y you have to put 0. That is 0 square minus 0 plus 1. y की जगह पे आपको 0 पुट करना है. 0 square is 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1. This is nothing but 1. Same way we have to find for 1, that is p of 1, which is nothing but in place of y we have to put 1 minus in place of y 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 as it is plus 1. 1 minus 1 यानी पहले हम इसको ऐड कर देंगे तो 2 minus 1 हो जाएगा वो. So 2 minus 1 that is 1. Okay. And last for p of 2. p of 2 equals to in place of y we have to put 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. First do the square of this number. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. First we will add this number. 4 plus 1 that is 5. So 5 minus 2 3. So we will get p of 0 as 1, p of 1 as also 1 and p of 2 as 3. Clear? This is nothing but we have to find the value of polynomial for points 0, 1 and 2. Okay? As we have done already in the previous video. Let us do the next one. Question second and third is homework. Fourth one. P of x equals to x minus 1, x minus 2. Sorry, x plus 1. Okay. So now we have given p of x as x minus 1 into x plus 1. We have to find for 0, for 1 and for 2. So solution is, first we will find for 0. Means we will put 0 in place of x. Okay. So p of 0 is nothing but put 0 in place of x means 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So minus 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 1. So for point 0 we get the value of polynomial as minus 1. Also next is p of 1. Means we have to find the value of polynomial at point x equals to 1. So put x equals to 1 in place of x. So p of 1 is in place of x we will put in 1. So 1 minus 1. Here 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Any number multiplied with 0 is nothing but 0. So 0 into 2 is 0. Right? Clear? Same way for 2. In place of x we will have to put 2. So p of 2 is nothing but in place of x put 2. So 2 minus 1 and here 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 3. So we will get the value for point 0 minus 1, for 1 0 and for 2 3. Okay, clear this much? Let us start the next question, that is question number 3. Here second and third is homework in question 2. Question third, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So first question is p of x equals to 3x plus 1 for x equals to minus 1 by 3. So what we have to do here? We have to verify whether the following are the polynomials, are the zeros of the polynomials or not indicated against them. यानी हमें polynomial दिया हुआ है कुछ, उसके सामने कुछ points दिए हुए, वो points पे ये वाला point हमारा zero हो रहा है या नहीं वो verify करना है. So for that what we have to do? Simple, we have to put this value in place of x. If we will getting 0, answer 0 means हमें value अगर 0 मिल रही है, then that is the zero of the polynomial. And if we will not get the value 0, then that is not the zero of the polynomial. Okay, so let us solve this. First we will put minus 1 by 3 in place of x. So here p of minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3 into in place of x minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. This is the multiplication. So can we cut this 3 and 3? What remains? Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. So we got the value as 0. It means that the point is 0 of the polynomial. Therefore x equals to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial px equals to which polynomial? 3x plus 1. Clear? For verifying the number, the points as a 0 polynomial, whether it is 0 or not, we have to just put that value in place of that variable. If here it is given x, so put this in the place of x. So if your answer is 0, then it is the 0 of the polynomial. But if your answer is not 0, अगर आपका आंसर 0 नहीं आ रहा है, then you have to, what is the, यानी means वो 0 नहीं होगा, then it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Next sum. Second, p of x equals to 5x minus 5 for x equals to 4 by 5. Now same way we have to verify this is 0 or not. So what we will do, in place of x we will put in 4 by 5. So here p of in place of x 4 by 5 equals to 5 into in place of x we will put in 4 by 5 minus 5. Here 5 cancelled out. So answer is 4 minus 5, which is not equals to 0. See, here हमें आंसर 0 नहीं मिल रहा है. सॉरी, हमें आंसर 0 नहीं मिल रहा है. ठीक है? So therefore मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि ये पॉइंट x equals to 4 by 5 वो कैसा होगा हमारा? Is not zero of the polynomial. Which polynomial? P of x equals to phi x minus pi. क्लियर? अगर जीरो आ गया तो हमारा जीरो होगा, अदरवाइज वो जीरो नहीं होगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सम. Fourth one, third is homework. P of x equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2. 4 points, x equals to minus 1 and 2. Now here we have to do same, but here there are 2 points, minus 1 and 2. So you have to solve for both. First you have to put minus 1, then you have to put 2 in place of x. So solution. Here first I am putting minus 1. So P of minus 1 in place of x we have to put minus 1 is equals to, in place of x we have to put minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 into, in place of x minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. दोनों माइनस है तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, 2 plus 1 3 in sign of bigger number. Okay, so this is nothing but 0. 0 into minus 3 क्या होगा हमारा? 0 होगा. यानी इसमें मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि therefore x equals to minus 1. आंसर 0 है, यानी ए वाला पॉइंट मेरा 0 है. Is the zero of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Px equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Clear? Same way you have to put for x equals to 2. You have to do for x equals to 2. So here, also P of 2 equals to, in place of x I am putting 2. So 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. That is nothing but 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 3 into 0 is again 0. So this is also the 0. So therefore x equals to 2 is 0 of the polynomial Px equals to x plus 1 x minus 2. So if you have given two numbers, 2 points, you have to solve for both. If first you have to put this point, second you have to put this point. Okay, now let us start another one. Third, fifth homework. Sixth, Px equals to Lx plus m, where x equals to minus m by L. Here you have given the variables. Okay, आपको सिर्फ वेरिएबल्स ही दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, वेरिएबल्स यानी L m वैसा ही दिया हुआ है. So इसमें भी वैसा ही करना है. Same way, in place of x we have to put minus m by L. So here P of x की जगह पे minus m by L is equals to L into, in place of x we have to put minus m by L. Okay, plus m. So here L cancel out. ठीक है, which is equals to, what remains? Minus m plus m, which is nothing but again 0. So since it is 0, we can say that x equals to minus m by L is 0 of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Px equals to Lx plus n. Clear? Let us do the next sum. Seventh one. Eighth homework. Next is Px equals to 3x square minus 1, where x is minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. ठीक है, सो पहले हम -1/√3 को पुट करते हैं. So for x equals to -1/√3, first is p of, in place of x we have to put -1/√3. What we will get? 3 into, in place of x -1/√3, that is whole square -1. Okay, which is 3 into square of -1 is +1, minus square plus 1 square 1 divided by √3 square 3 minus 1. 3 cancel out. What remains? 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we will say that for x equals to -1/√3 is the 0 of the polynomial px equals to 3x square minus 1. Okay, same way we have to do for 2/√3. So for that I have to rub this. Also for point 2/√3, so in place of x we will put 2/√3, which is 3 into, in place of x 2/√3 whole square minus 1, which is 3 into 2 square is 4 divided by √3 square is 3 minus 1. 3 cancel out. What remains? 4 minus 1, that is 3, which is not equals to 0. हमारा 0 नहीं आया. So x equals to 2/√3 के लिए हमारा ये क्या होगा? Not the 0 of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Px equals to 3x square minus 1. Clear? So question 3 is over. 8th one is homework. Right? Let us start the question 4th. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Find 0 of polynomial in each of the following cases. अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? जीरोस फाइंड करना है, जो भी आपको यहां पर जीरोस दिए होंगे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट इज पॉलिनोमियल दिया हुआ है p of x equals to x plus 5. Third is, second is homework, p of x is 2x plus 5. So देखो, अब आपको जब भी जीरोस फाइंड करने हो, वी हैव टू फाइंड जीरोस. अभी तक हमने जो किया, वेरीफाई किया जीरोस को, वो उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड की. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द जीरोस. So for finding 0, what you have to do? First put px equals to 0. So let px equals to 0. Polynomial को हमने 0 लिया. Then in place of px, what is the polynomial? Put that. So x plus 5 हमारा 0 हो गया. ठीक है. अब हमें क्या करना है? पोलिनोमियल जीरोस फाइंड करना है, यानी वैल्यू ऑफ x फाइंड करनी है. तो ये 5 हम यहाँ ले आएंगे. Therefore x is nothing but -5. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. मैंने बताया था कि 0 कैसे डिपेंड करता है, उसके डिग्री पे देखो. डिग्री कितनी है? 1. तो आपको कितने जीरोस मिलेंगे? 1. यहाँ पे हमें 1 0 मिला. ठीक है. सेम वे थर्ड वन, लेट px इक्वल्स टू 0. px हमने 0 लिया. px क्या है हमारा? 2x plus 5 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो पहले हम 5 को यहाँ पे ले आए कि हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो 2x कितना हो जाएगा? -5 प्लस 5 है तो उस साइड जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो देयरफॉर 2 हम वापस उस साइड ले जाएंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो -5/2. अगेन हियर डिग्री इज 1, सो वी विल गेट द 1 0. ठीक है. हमारे डिग्री पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितने जीरोस होंगे. अगर डिग्री 1 है तो हमें 1 0 मिलेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड होमवर्क, सॉरी थर्ड सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ होमवर्क. फिफ्थ वन px equals to 3x. Sixth one px equals to ax, where a does not equals to 0. And seventh one px equals to cx plus d, where c does not equals to 0 and cd are real numbers. ओके, सो ये तीन सम्स हमारे हैं. फर्स्ट इज फिफ्थ मीन्स px equals to 0. First we will put px equals to 0, right? For in place of px we have to put 3x, so therefore 3x equals to 0. So we have to find x. So ये 3 हमारा यहाँ चला जाएगा. So x equals to 0 by 3, that is nothing but 0 divided by 3 is 0, right? So देखो डिग्री 1 है तो हमें एक ही 0 मिला. ठीक है, सेम वे here put px equals to 0. In place of px what is the value? Ax. So ax equals to 0. Again x equals to a हम यहाँ ले आएंगे तो वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So x equals to 0 by a is nothing but 0. Here condition is given a does not equals to 0. Why ऐसी कंडीशन होगी? हमारा जो भी पोलिनोमियल हो हमारा वो फर्स्ट टर्म होगा वो हमारा 0 नहीं होगा. अगर वो 0 हो गया तो फिर वो सेटिस्फाई ही नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, वो आंसर ही 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सेम वे लेट px equals to 0. In place of px what is the value? cx plus d. Means cx plus d equals to 0. Now we have to find x. So हम क्या करेंगे, पहले ये d को यहाँ ले आएंगे तो माइनस डी हो जाएगा. So therefore x equals to ये c को हम यहाँ ले आएंगे तो हम डिवाइड हो जाएगा. That is minus d by a. ठीक है, so here we will completed our exercise 2.2. So till here revise it, do the solution, do the homework. होमवर्क करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आएगा थोड़ा कि कैसे करना है. ठीक है, ऐसा हो तो कोई और पोलिनोमियल ले लो, कोई और दो तीन वैल्यूज लेकर ट्राई करो. ठीक है, सो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में रिमाइंडर थियरम एंड लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो बाय, टेक केयर, जय हिंद, जय भारत.